how are you all? I hope you all are good at your homes. My name is Vicky Sachdev, and in today's video I want to discuss about 5 tips which are very helpful for improving our reading skills. Yes, I want to share with you 5 tips which are very much helpful for improving our reading skills. So let's get started. My first tip is reading newspaper. Yes, from newspapers, as we all know that from newspaper we can get lots of information about what is going around the world, related to trade and commerce, related to sports and games, related to economic situation of our country, related to anything we can easily come to know from the newspaper. So reading newspaper can improve our general knowledge about the world, as well as it improves our reading skills. So it is very much beneficial. My second tip is read comics. Reading comics for the children is very much interesting, because children nature is like they love interesting and attractive things. So for children, reading comics is very much helpful. It improves their vocabulary skills, and children really likes to read comics as compared to regular books. They love reading comics. So reading comics can also play a good role in improving reading skills. Now the third topic is reading subtitles. Yes, whenever you are watching any movie, read subtitles of the movie. Like on the bottom of the screen, when you are watching movie, on the bottom of the screen there subtitles are written. Like they are translating the language. Like if the movie is in Hindi and subtitles are in English, so you can easily understand what the dialogues is written. So reading subtitles is also very helpful for improving our reading skills, as it also improves in understanding the movie in English, and it is because from translation in Hindi, it is movies in Hindi, and we can easily understand in English also. So reading subtitles is also very much helpful. Now the fourth tip is visualize. Visualize, like whatever is written in the whatever you're reading. Suppose you are reading any book, so whatever it is written in the book, any word like politics means, just imagine, politics means rajniti. Okay, any word, example, any word, whatever it is written, just imagine it, and then also it improves your reading skills as well as your understanding skills. So visualizing the reading is very much helpful for improving our readings. So these are the 4 points I want to discuss. Now the last point is jackpack method. Yes, jackpack method is what, student? Jackpack method is you are getting, suppose you are buying a chocolate. In chocolate, there are many things written. Ingredients of chocolates are written. So read that chocolates ingredients and everything related to it. So you, when जो भी आपको मिलता है, जो भी आपको, like you are buying anything, you are buying a juice, just read the ingredients of the juice, just read the everything information about the juice, it is written. So it is called jackpack method, कि कहीं पे भी आपको वो चीज़ें मिल जाए और आप उसको रीड कर लो, कुछ भी आप खरीद रहे हो. So read everything related to, if you are buying anything, so उसके सारी चीज़ों को read करो. That is very helpful because it improves you will come to know about varieties of words. It improves your vocabulary skills. So these are the 5 tips I want to discuss with you today, and I hope this video is very helpful for you. And see, at last I want to say that this is very much important for me also, and for, like, it gives us determination and motivation. So let's get started. आँखों में रख कर मंजिल सफ़र का इरादा कर लो. आँखों में रख कर मंजिल सफ़र का इरादा कर लो. ना हारोगे हिम्मत खुद से, ये वादा कर लो. ना हारोगे हिम्मत खुद से, ये वादा कर लो. आँखों. So it's very much helpful. So improve your reading skills. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.